About this item: 4Runner rear door speaker adapter bracket compatible with Toyota Corolla 2002 to 2022, Toyota Highlander 2008 to 2011, Toyota RAV4 2019 to 2021, Toyota Tacoma 2016 to 2022, Toyota 4Runner 2003 to 2009 left rear door, Toyota 4Runner rear door 2011 to 2021, Camry 2002 to 2010, Toyota Camry 2019 to 2020, Toyota Tundra 2007 to 2020, Toyota 2009 to 2013 Venza, 2007 to 2013 Yaris 2011-2017 TRD, 2009 to 2013 Matrix, 2005 to 2018 Tacoma, 2019 to 2020 only fit front door, 2000 to 2021 Tundra, non-JBL front, rear door speaker, .WRX. Speaker adapter replacement for Subaru door speaker, 2006 to 2020 Legacy, 2008 to 2020 Impreza, 2012 to 2020 WRX, 2010 to 2021 Outback, 2009 to 2011 Forester, 2015 Crosstrek, 2010 to 2012 Prius. 6.5 speaker adapter ring fit for Lexus IS 300 2001 to 2005 front door. For Scion 2005 to 2010 TC, 2011 to 2015 TC, 2004 to 2006 XA, 2004 to 2006 XB, 2008 to 2012 XB.6.5 car speakers spacer fit.